What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another TFR Sports video. Now, last time we saw this bike, we were doing a review on it. This time, we're doing an update. We've done a few changes on the bike. Last time you saw it, you might have seen a couple different handlebars, some rims, different tires. This time, we're going to walk you through what we've changed. With E13 being a supporter of the channel, we've gone to them for a lot of the upgrades on the bike. This includes the new E-Spec rear wheel and hub, and the LG1 Plus front wheel and hub. We've also gone for their Plus handlebar and stem. Now, we chose the E-Spec rear wheel because we wanted to go for 3-inch wheels on front and rear, and also the E-Spec rear wheel is going to be more durable and more capable for handling punishing rides. In order to accommodate the 3-inch size front tire, we've gone for the LG1 Plus front wheel. This is going to help us with some more durability, just like the E-Spec rear wheel. For bars and stem, we went with E13's Plus line stem and handlebars. With the stem being at 40 millimeters in length, this really gives us a good downhill feel and handling on the bike. With the handlebars being at 800 millimeters wide, this really makes the bike handle and control so much better, and it feels like it can be a downhill weapon.